Hey folks, if you're a regular Google Docs user, you might have noticed all the new amazing features that the team at Google has been adding. If you haven't noticed them, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll be talking about 10 Google Doc features that will boost your productivity and help you in your daily tasks. So let's get started. First up, we have menu shortcuts. With this feature, you can quickly access commonly used menus and commands by using a simple keyboard shortcut. This can save you a lot of time and make working with Google Docs even more efficient. So menu shortcuts can be used by just typing an at the rate, and then you have these different menu shortcuts that are available here. You have the product, you have a drop down, you have the building blocks, you have meeting notes. So you will get suggestions for formatting people, and you can even get events. So if you use a lot of other Google apps, everything will feel a bit more interconnected. So using this, I can just add a drop down here saying new drop down. I add the option saying I'll just do option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. I'll just click on save, and you have your options here, and I can select the particular drop down that I want. So these are just the few of the different things that you can do with the menu shortcuts. You can even select an emoji, put this emoji, or I can just say I can even add an email here automatically that is there here, or I can have an email draft. I can even add the different files that are there here, and I can just click on this and stuff like that, right? So this is just a short introduction about menu shortcuts. Let's take a look at the next feature. The next feature that we have is drop downs. This feature allows you to create a drop down menu with your document, making it very easy for you to select from a list of options or to even input data. This is especially useful when working with long lists or when you want to keep your document very organized and streamlined. So let's take a look at how that looks like. So if I'll just do this, I'll do at the rate drop down, and then in this I can click on new drop down. I can say let's take an example and just say uh, let's just do yes. Now I'll just say A, then I'll do something like B, then we have C, and then D. If I click on save, I can do this, and I can just select these options here however I want them to be. Alright, let's take a look at the next feature. Next up, we have table templates. I found table templates one of the most interesting features. With this, you can quickly create a professional looking table in your document by choosing from a variety of pre-designed templates. This can save you a lot of time and effort when it comes to formatting your tables. So let's take a look at how it looks. I'm just going to clear this out, and I'll just go to insert, I'll click on table, and I can click on table template. So you have product roadmap, review tracker, project assets, launch content tracker. So like for me creating content that's what I do. So I can add type is like a YouTube video. I can say description, Google Docs features video that I'm recording right now. I can even add a publish date saying let's just say 12th, or maybe let's just say 3rd Jan. So I'll do 3rd Jan 2023. If I say publish, no, it's not. Outlet and link to content, I'll just paste the YouTube link or the draft link that is there. So this is one example for the content tracker. For the next one, we have the review tracker. So you can add your events that are there for you to track, and you can add your notes. You can see it's like a to-do list app that you can do. It's in progress. This is under review and stuff. You can do like that. And the last one that we have is the project's asset one. So I'll click on insert, I'll click on tables, table and project assets. So this can be your file, the link, the name of the file, some description, and whether you started it. So maybe it can be like file, I'll just do Google Doc, and I'll just say company status report. You can do something like this, and this is how Google Doc templates are very useful. This is how the table template is very useful. With these templates, you can create fully fledged project management stuff. You can even organize them without hopping on to different tabs. You can have everything under one Google Doc. The next feature that we have is meeting notes. Meeting notes is another very useful feature, especially for those who frequently take notes during meetings or conferences. With this feature, you can easily create structured documents to organize and summarize your notes. Make it easy for you to refer back to and share it even with others. So to apply this or to use this, we're going to be doing something like this. I'll just clear this out again. So I'm going to do something like this and I'll click on meeting notes, and then you have to select your specific thing. So I can just click on it and my meeting notes are there, and I can just say collected data, and I can do my action items saying create reports. So even while the meeting is going on, you have the link to the meeting, the date, the time, the attendees that are available for the meeting. So all your meeting notes are under one specific Google Doc with the link, and I can even continuously keep on adding different meetings that I have under one single doc. The next feature that we have is email draft. Email draft is another very helpful addition to Google Docs. With this feature, you can easily create and send professional emails directly from within the platform. This can save you the hassle of switching between different programs or browsers. So it makes it easier for you to keep track of your emails. So we're going to be checking out how you can compose this. So I'll be going here, I'll click on @ and I can click on email draft. And I can specify the email. Let's just say I want to do Aryan Irani 123 @gmail.com. If I have to do a CC, you can, you can do this. And to mention an email, you have to do an @. I'll specify this, BCC, no. I just want to add a subject like status of the reports, and inside, and here you can write the email message. So this is how you can automatically create email drafts, and once you are done, you can preview the email. It will show it to you here how it looks like it. This is it. And if I add some description, get me the reports by say 6th January 2023. I'll click on save. I'll click on the email button here. It will show me the rough view for it. It will be here. It will be showing me one more. It's the CC, and I'll just click on send, and the email will automatically get sent. Instead of me going to my Gmail, opening it up, thinking of a template, I can automatically create an email draft here and send emails from my Google Docs. Okay, next up we have checklists. Checklist is another very useful way to keep track of your tasks and to-do items. You can now easily create them within Google Docs. This can be especially useful for collaborative projects, as you can assign tasks to different team members and even track progress. You go to format, you go to bullets and numbering, and here you can see checklists. You can add your checklists here. So I can say finish editing YouTube video. You can have a next one saying write script for next video. And once you're done, you can just click on click, and you can see it is crossed. So this is how the checklist can be used inside of Google Docs. The next feature that we have is watermarks. If you're creating documents, if you're creating documentation for different companies, or you are doing some work with watermarks, this allows you to watermark your document for maybe security and branding, and you can choose from a variety of pre-designed watermarks or create even your own custom watermark. So let's take a look at that. I'm just going to clear all of this out. And so to insert a watermark in your Google Doc, you need to go and click on insert. You go down to watermark. Here you can see either you can have an image. If you have a company logo, if you have your own brand, you can do that, or you can just go to the text and just write in here Aryan Irani Productions. Let's just see that. And you have different fonts. You have thousands of fonts for you to choose from. You can select the size, you can add the transparency, you can make it whatever, horizontal, diagonal. You can even have it in front of text and stuff. You can even have it behind text. This is how you can add. This is how simple adding watermarks to Google Docs is. The last feature on our list is adding emoji reactions. Emoji reactions is a fun and easy way to express your emotions or reactions to a document or a comment. You can just simply click on the emoji icon and choose from a variety of different emojis to add to your document or comment. So this is the text that I have in my Google Doc. If you want to comment on it, all you have to do is double click on it, and you have an add emoji reaction. You can react to it. So once if I click on this, I can see that there is one emoji reaction, and you have thousands of emojis for you to choose from. So these are just a few of the latest features and the greatest features of Google Docs according to me. I hope you found this video helpful and you'll be able to take advantage of these new features on your own work. I'll be leaving the official documentation of the Google Docs and listing these new features in the description. You can check that out. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and for more content, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.